Real soon, hit that ball. Come on, clap your hands, come on. All right, here we go. After that emergency, that's the way it was. Happened so naturally, did not know it was love. The next thing I felt you.